Don't really know where to start this video, but today is Monday. Going down to Connecticut tomorrow and Tuesday, and gonna rip out the drivetrain out of the GTR, rip out the engine, and start working on it. Bringing it down to Tommyfyeah's shop. Gonna have one of the dudes pull out, you know, the heart of the thing, and hopefully we can make a little list together and figure out what I want to do. But I gotta move a whole bunch of shit and try and get this GTR on the trailer. Here's another look-see at the engine bay. I am gonna go ahead and spray the engine bay just because if all this is gonna be out, we gotta try and match the outside of the car. Outside of the car looks fantastic. Inside, not so much, but just button these valve covers on there quick. I guess I can leave this guy here. Don't need that. But yeah, let's play some musical cars now. This fucking sucks. Alrighty guys, so it is, I can't even speak right now. It is 5:30 in the morning. We are on the way to Tommy's shop. It's about a 2-hour drive, 2 hours and 5 minutes usually. So left about 10 minutes early. Hopefully we can get there at a good time. Yo. Hey. All right, so it is a few days later. We are back home, back from Tommy's shop. Worked there for a few days, did some stuff, and Clinton, his tech, took care of my car. We got, as you can see, the RB out, the trans out. We got all the things out. Today, we got to make a lot of movements. We got to move everything. We got to get the Sylvia out of the garage. We got to make some room. We got to move some bikes around. Put away some tools, list some stuff up for sale, and I'd like to go ahead and pressure wash this engine bay on the GTR. It's filthy, but it's gonna get the treatment, so not exactly sure when that's gonna be, but I guess we can start today, and the next video will be probably tearing this thing apart and getting somewhere with it. Sad sight, man. The water bottle is supposed to be a reservoir, but didn't really work out too well there. Anyways, here's the engine bay. Looks pretty gross. Definitely want to change some stuff up. We got to go ahead and remove everything, and this car is going to get a full repaint on the engine bay. Gonna go ahead and do the ABS delete, probably get a new wiring specialties harness to clean it up. Powder coat some things and move around some things and get a different catch can set up and move all of that stuff right there. I'm not really a huge fan of where it is. I do want to go ahead and get the oil filter relocation kit, which would go right there where the FPR is. Bottom of the hood's already shot, so that's cool. Did that a while back. And yeah, just a lot of stuff that can come out and get cleaned and recoated. Hopping over to the trunk, or to the bed of the truck, we got the Hurt RB26. We got a new exhaust I bought from Tommy. I like the look of it. It's got like a rolled tip. It's got that, you know, typical can style exit. We do have the Kakimoto right there. That sounds great with the rest of the exhaust. This car is going big single, so I kind of can't use the front pipes anymore. This stuff will be for sale, or I just might hang on to it for a future GTR. I don't know. And we got the trans right there, all my tools in there. I need a crew cab. If anybody's got a LBZ crew cab in New England that's clean and for sale, definitely let me know. But yeah, so I want to go ahead and try and get this thing on an engine stand today. I'll probably bring it to my shop just because the room situation's a little on the low side over here. So definitely excited to get this thing going, and I hope you guys are too. I'm gonna go ahead and start doing the process of moving everything and cleaning everything up, and hopefully by the end of the day we can go ahead and have this thing somewhat taken apart on an engine stand at my shop.